Lecture 7. Applying filters and preset effects. Have you ever noticed how two videos with the same content can feel completely different? One looking flat and dull, while the other feels cinematic and engaging. The difference often comes down to filters and effects. In Filmora, filters and preset effects allow you to quickly change the mood, style, and atmosphere of your video. They can make your footage warmer, sharper, vintage, or dramatic, all with a few clicks. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what filters and preset effects are and how they differ. Apply filters to change the overall mood of a clip. Use preset effects to add motion, overlays, or creative enhancements. Decide when to use these tools to support your storytelling. What are filters? Filters in Filmora are pre-designed color and style adjustments that can instantly change the look of your video. Think of them like Instagram filters, but more powerful. Examples of filters: black and white, cinematic tones, vintage looks, or bright warm colors. When to use? To create a mood. For example, a black and white filter for a serious project or a warm filter for a travel vlog. If you filmed indoors under poor lighting and the footage looks dull, applying a brighten filter can make it look more lively without complex adjustments. To apply filters, you can just click in here, as in this tab, you can just click in here and you can search for example, black and white, and you can just download it. But when you apply this effect, when you just click in here, it changes the mood completely. And when you just play this video along, but when you just delete this one, so this is the original video. And you can use many others as well. For example, bright, and for example you just want to go with this one, so download this one. And here you can see, if this video was recorded in poor lighting, then this effect could have lightened the video and make it more brighter. What are preset effects? Effects are more dynamic than filters. They often add motion, overlays, or visual elements. Examples of effects: lens flare, glitch effects, film grain, or animated overlays. When to use? To add energy or emphasize moments in your video. Practical example: in a sports highlight reel, you might use a glitch effect to introduce a player's name, adding energy and excitement to the clip. How to apply filters and effects in Filmora? Go to Effects panel, and here you can see, browse through categories like filters, overlays, or utility effects. For example, you just go with glitch effect and write in here as glitch. Click in here. And here you can see, you have to just download it. And here you can see, although this doesn't suit with this theme, but you can just apply many of these. For example, this one. It looks like that this video is from like 90s television, and you can just apply many of these, and you can just go with film grain overlay, and you can just click in here, and for example you just download it and apply this effect. So when you just click in here, and here you can see, it looks a little different than the normal one. When you just click in here, so this was the original video, so when you just full screen this one, but when you apply this effect and full screen this, so there is a huge difference between these. Drag and drop the chosen filter or effect onto a clip in the timeline. Adjust the strength, duration, or position of the effect in the settings panel. For example, when you just click in here, you have all this available in here like color, speed, and the duration as well. Less is more. Filters and effects should enhance your video, not overwhelm it. Best practices: stay consistent. If you're editing a video essay, don't mix too many different filters. Keep the look uniform. Match mood with message. A romantic video looks strange with a glitch effect. A tech commercial might look boring without one. Experiment and preview. Always play back your video after adding filters or effects to ensure they feel natural. Filters and preset effects are like the seasoning in cooking. They are not the main ingredient, but they can transform the flavor of your video. When used thoughtfully, they elevate your project, making it feel polished, emotional, and engaging without distracting from the story you want to tell.